Life insurance, is it really a scam? Well, the Association of Savings and Investments in South Africa indicate that South Africa has a life and disability shortfall of 34.3 trillion rands. Last year, Liberty Life paid almost 7 billion in death claims. Momentum Life paid just over 6 billion in death claims. Discovery paid over 9 billion in death claims. And Sanlam had paid over 5 billion in death claims. Is insurance still a scam? In my opinion, life insurance is one of the lowest hanging fruits of building wealth. Not just for now, but for the future generations as well. When it comes to life insurance, people fall into 4 categories. One are the people that hate it and will avoid buying life cover. 2, you get the group of people who hate it, but somewhat understand the benefits, but very grudgingly pay those premiums. 3, they like it. They don't use it to its full capacity, but they're happy to pay those premiums. And you'll find a lot of people that have been beneficiaries of life cover in this segment. They've seen the life cover work for them. It took away a lot of the financial stress, and they want that for themselves, their children, and their families. And lastly, you get the group of people that love life insurance. That's me. I am in that group. I love life insurance, not just because of my financial advisor. It's something that I've embraced long before I became an advisor in my 20s. We're the kind of people that love life insurance and will use it in many financial strategies to build wealth for ourselves and for our future generations. Now, the first concern when it comes to buying life insurance is buying the right amount. And when it comes to making this decision, you can't just think about the price of the premium, but you also have to look at the price, the cost, and the value that you get back. Now, there's a difference between price and cost. Price is the amount that you pay every month for that premium. Cost is exactly what's it going to cost you. 500 Rand a month, maybe it means giving up your satellite TV. Maybe it means one less meal eaten at a local restaurant, a takeaway. That's the cost that you pay for life insurance when you're managing your monthly budget. Now, value is a little bit more hard to understand because when it comes to life insurance, you don't see the value every month. You don't see the tangible value, right? You have the peace of mind of knowing that, okay, if something happens, I'm covered. My spouse is covered. I have enough for my children. You don't see a tangible value. And because you can't see that value, you can't feel that value, you can't taste that value, it's very hard for people to grasp. Value is basically the overall effect that this product has to offer. Not just an internal rate of return where I'm paying 500 Rand a month for 1 million Rand worth of cover, but the external rate of return as well. It's not just the money that you get back, it's the larger effect of that money. When you get an insurance payout and a death benefit and you're the beneficiary, especially you have people to look after, you have peace of mind. You know medical aid is paid for. You know school fees are paid for. That stress off your back, I think you can only feel that stress when you don't have that life cover, and so many people are in that situation. And once stuff happens, you can't undo it and you can't get life cover or any kind of cover after that. Fortunately, with a lot of clients, you're just looking at the price. You tend to ignore the cost and the value of the cover. When you're buying insurance, you have to consider the value of what you're getting. I mean, you are paying the premium. You are paying the cost. So don't just look for the cheapest premium. If insurance didn't cost anything, everybody would get it. So people don't really have a problem with insurance. They have a problem with paying the premium. But where you really pay for insurance is when you don't have it and when you can't get it because you have bad health now. Now ask yourself, if price wasn't an issue, would you want to protect your family, protect your loved ones? You got to identify the right value that you are providing and cover that value with life insurance. There are a plethora of life insurance companies in South Africa. Although it might seem simple, where you take your cover, you pay your premium. If something happens to you, your family gets a death benefit. But there's a lot of strategy that goes behind the product. Remember, a product is never a solution. And if you want strategy for your life insurance, I would love to chat to you one-on-one. Click the link where you're watching this video.